Hashtags are a core tool of many social media platforms to help you reach a wider audience and boost engagement. Using the right hashtags is essential, and SocialBee makes this easier for you to do so by helping you generate hashtags as well as store them in your hashtag collections so that you have them ready to use. In this video, we'll go over how you can create and use hashtag collections as well as how you can add hashtags to your posts effortlessly. Let's start with hashtag collections. If you already have your hashtag research done, you can save your hashtags in SocialBee's hashtag collections. This can be found in the content menu under the hashtag collection tab. There are two main steps to get this started. Step 1, create your hashtag collection. You can also name it according to your preference. Step 2, add hashtags to your collection. Whether you're typing out your hashtags or pasting them from a list, you can save them so that you have them ready to use for whenever you're creating content. When creating hashtag collections, make sure you name them something that reflects the purpose that they serve, like travel hashtags or marketing tips. This helps you quickly identify what the collection is for. Now let's move on to adding hashtags to a post. When writing your content in the post editor, look for the hashtag icon below your text box. Click on it to open your saved hashtags. From here, you can select the collection that best fits your post. You can insert the entire collection or choose specific hashtags from it. If none of your existing collections fit your post's topic, you can generate hashtags directly in your post editor. First, create your post and then click on the magic wand in the post editor in order to generate contextual hashtag ideas that you can then use in your post. This tool looks at your copy and your image and comes up with hashtags based on the context. Alternatively, you can also use the AI tool to generate captions that already have hashtags included in them. SocialBee allows you to preview your post with the hashtags included so you can make any necessary adjustments before scheduling or publishing. Make sure to keep the hashtags that make sense for your post and discard the rest. Once you're happy with it, go ahead and schedule or publish your content. Using hashtag collections not only saves you time, but also boosts your chances of reaching a wider audience and increasing engagement. SocialBee also allows you to manage your hashtag usage efficiently by keeping all of your collections organized and easily accessible. You can create multiple collections for different themes, campaigns, or social profiles, making your hashtag strategy more effective and streamlined. If you're having trouble with using hashtag collections or any other SocialBee feature, please email our team at success@socialbee.com.